In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select multiple things here in Canva. So I have this design just here, and we have multiple elements on the canvas. We have mountains, clouds, hearts, flowers, more flowers. Now what we're going to do is select multiple of these together. Now the first thing I always do is lock that background. So what we're going to do is click onto the background, and then we're going to lock it just there. This way it's not going to move around when we select multiple things. Now let's go ahead and select these flowers, this wall, and this one as well. Now to do this, what we want to do is left click on the mouse, drag and select just like that. Now let's do that one more time. We're going to left click, drag and select, and now we've selected these together. Now what we can do is move these together like that as well, or we can go one step further and actually group that together. And now what we selected have been grouped into one element, which makes it a lot more easier to move around. Now if we want to undo that, we can simply click back onto the items that we grouped together, and then we can click ungroup just like there, and now it's all ungrouped. So that's just how simple it is to select multiple things here in Canva. Now if you found the video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.